Hey guys, welcome back to the Financial Fox channel. I hope you're all having another great day. My name is Bob, and today we'll be discussing Virgin Galactic stock in the news that just came out today. Before we get started though, I have listed some of my favorite investing books down in the description below and their links. Please feel free to check those out. Also guys, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. It really helps out my channel and it gets my videos out to a much larger audience. Now, let's get into it. So, I'll go over the background of this company real quick if you have never heard of Virgin Galactic before. Virgin Galactic is a commercial aerospace business that sends people and researchers into space. And with those space vehicles, they manufacture those as well. Virgin Galactic was founded by the multi-billionaire Richard Branson in 2007, and their headquarters are in New Mexico. This company is just one out of 400 companies owned by Richard Branson. They have a little over 700 full-time employees. And also, this is the first public company trying to accomplish sending people out to space. Now, Virgin Galactic's business is in a narrow niche market. The only reason why I pretty much say this is because it's really for the ultra wealthy. So, just to have an experience for 90 minutes getting sent out to the space, they're going to charge you $250,000 to do so. Which, in my eyes, I think it's extremely expensive for having an experience for less than 2 hours. And besides the large cost that's associated with having this experience, I'm not sure how many people are truly interested in going out to space and seeing Earth. But I think in the future, if they somehow drive costs way down so the average Joe can maybe afford it, they could drive the popularity of it, and obviously the more popular it is, the more money they'll make. In order to do so, they are working with their sister company, and that sister company is called the Spaceship Company. Real original there. And another effort to drive costs further down, they are using reusable space vehicles as well. Virgin Galactic has also received about $1 billion worth of investments from different investors, probably because the owner and the founder is a multi-billionaire and he has a ton of different connections. Richard Branson also told all investors that this company would be profitable by 2021. Virgin has had 2 test flights, and the very last one was in New Mexico, and it turned out to be extremely successful. So, some big news happened today for Virgin Galactic. They just appointed a new CEO that was a former executive at Walt Disney. His name is Michael. And since this news that came out about the new CEO, this stock has skyrocketed. Get it? Skyrocket? It exploded almost up to 14% just today, and the stock currently sits at $21.05. It seems like there has been a lot of interest and excitement about this stock. Retail investors like myself and Robinhood users have been buying up this stock recently. SPCE has increased 85% year to date. And analysts just raised their price target for the stock to $29 a share. The reason why he increased his price target for the stock is because he thinks this company has shifted from the engineering process to the marketing process because of the new CEO. And the stock had hit a high of $42.49 just this past February. And it's been crashing ever since until this news came out. Virgin Galactic stock is known for being a volatile stock for all the ups and downs. It's a speculative stock and it's pretty risky. In my opinion, this stock is too much of a risk and a speculative stock as well. I would need to see their revenues grow a lot more than they are right now. Also, They need to have more test runs be successful before I even look into this. For the time being, I am staying clear away from this stock until they have a little more clear path to profitability than they do right now. Leave me a comment and let me know if you guys are either watching or buying Virgin Galactic stock. Ticker symbol SPCE. I hope I enlightened you all about this company and this possible investment. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button.